Make money with YouTube short using TikTok. This is one of the easiest method. I can't even describe how easy this is. All right. So how to make money online? Make money with YouTube short using TikTok. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe with the notification bell on and be a part of our family. All right. Let me show you how you're gonna do this. It's really easy. All right, don't skip the video. If you skip, you won't get everything and you won't make money. That's basically it. So don't skip the video. All right, so what I want you to do is go to TikTok. When you go to TikTok, you search funny cats if that's what you're interested in making money from. If you want to make money from funny dog, if you want to make money from education, from fitness, from making money videos, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. All right. So what I necessarily want you to do, all right, in this video, I will be using funny cats. All right. So I already searched for funny cats, and here I am on a TikTok profile with a lot of videos of funny cats, etc. All right. YouTube short is giving away a lot of money. YouTube is giving away $100 million to content creators who is creating short videos. As you know, YouTube short is an extension to TikTok. When I said extension, I mean it's a competition to TikTok. That means it's doing the same exact things that TikTok are doing. The videos, they're vertical. They don't exceed a minute long. All right. So these things, they're now popping because persons don't like long videos like one time. So if you even go on Instagram, they have these same short videos. All right. So what you will basically do, if you go on Facebook, on your story, they got these short videos as well. All right. So you're going to use these videos to make a lot of money. So what you're basically going to do, as you can see here, this video have over 11,000 views. All right. This video have over 300,000 views. So what you will necessarily do, you will go on the video, all right? You will copy the video URL. So what you will do, you will sign in to TikTok, all right? If you don't have a TikTok account, please, I'm asking you to create one. It's not hard. It won't take you 5 minutes, all right? So you sign into TikTok, you search for what you want to make money from. You go to the video, and then when you go to the video, you copy the URL. All right, you copy the URL, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna come to this website. It's called SS TikTok. So when you type in SS TikTok, it's gonna bring you right here to TikTok video download. All right. So here you're gonna download the TikTok videos without no watermark whatsoever. So you will have this video as if it's yours. So when you come here and you download the video, so you're gonna paste the URL here. You're gonna click download. This is 100% safe. All right. So you're gonna click download. The video is gonna download to your computer. After the video is downloaded to your computer, what I would like you to do is come to this website called Canva. All right. When you come to Canva, what you're necessarily gonna do here, you're gonna go on story. All right, you're gonna go on your story right here. Whenever you go on your story, I already made a video on how you can make money from YouTube short, and with this method it's much more simple. All right, this is so simple, I can't believe it. All right, so as I said, when you come to Canva, the video you downloaded from TikTok, you're gonna put the video right here. The video will match perfectly. You don't have to resize or anything. The only thing you will do, some persons, they have a little call to action on their videos at the top or at the bottom. So what you will do necessarily, you will choose elements. You will get an element like this one here. You will put it at the bottom to block out what was written there. You're gonna write what you think you want to be your call to action. All right, so that's necessarily it. You put the video here, you put your call to action on the top or the bottom, and then you're gonna go to YouTube. After you download the video, you're gonna go to YouTube. You're gonna post the video on your YouTube channel with a searchable title and a nice thumbnail. Well, it's gonna be a short. You don't need a thumbnail. So you're gonna post the video with a searchable title, and the video will be getting views. And if you want to make more money from your YouTube short, as I spoke of in my previous video, you can go and watch that video. I will be leaving the link in my description, or you can check the card for the video. All right, so as I said, when you put the video on your YouTube channel, if you want to make more money, you do affiliate marketing. You put links in your description of how persons can get something related to cats. If you're dealing with the funny cat videos, if you're dealing with motivational videos, you will find something from the affiliate company that is referred to motivational. All right, so thank you for watching. This is so easy. Please remember to subscribe. And I'm not gonna leave without give you a free method of how you can do this. All right, you go to a website called Fiverr. You search for a freelancer. You discuss with the freelancer what you want them to do for you. You explain that, hey, I want you to go to TikTok. I want you to go to TikTok. I want you to download a few funny videos, and I want you to post them on my YouTube channel and put links in the description, or you can go ahead and add your links for yourself. All right, and that will be earning you passive income. All right, everyone won't be making the same money, but what I'm sure of this, you won't be making any videos for yourself, and this is just so easy for anyone to do. All right, a 6 years old can do this, a old lady or an old man can do this. So why won't you take the opportunity and make some money yourself? Come again soon for more interesting videos of how you can make money online. Thank you for watching. Come again for our interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Come again soon, because we're uploading videos actually every week on how. Thank you for watching. Come again soon for our interesting videos of how you can make money online.